In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Copilot app on Windows. To get started, open the Copilot app on your Windows computer. If you already have it pinned to your taskbar or Start menu, you can simply click it from there. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load so you can clearly see all of the available options on the screen. After you're inside the app, direct your attention to the bottom left corner. There you should see a profile icon. This is the area that gives you access to account-related options, including signing in. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When the menu appears, choose the Sign In option. This will begin the login process and allow you to connect your Microsoft account to the Copilot app. Signing in is important because it helps personalize your experience and may also give you access to features tied to your account. From here, the app will ask you to select which account you want to use. If you've already used Microsoft accounts on this device, you may see one or more account options appear automatically. In that case, simply click the account you want to sign in with. If the account you want to use isn't shown right away, you can choose the option to use another account and continue from there. Next, enter your login details when prompted. Make sure you type your information carefully so there are no errors. If your account uses extra security, such as a verification code or approval prompt, complete that step as well. This is a normal part of the sign-in process and helps keep your account secure. Once your details are accepted, you'll be logged into the Microsoft Copilot app. At that point, you can start using the app with your account connected. A good way to confirm that you're signed in successfully is to check the same profile area again and see whether your account is now displayed there. If you run into any issues, a few simple things can help. Double-check that you're using the correct account information, make sure your internet connection is working properly, and try closing and reopening the app if the sign-in screen doesn't respond as expected. And that's it. That's how to log into Microsoft Copilot app on Windows.